Getting sales forecasts wrong risks missing revenue opportunities by misallocating resources and budgets. According to RB Interactive, inaccurate forecasts can cut potential revenue by 63% and tie up 57% more cash and inventory than needed. SAP's digital transformation of sales delivers the highest sales prediction accuracy. Instead of relying on historical sales data, the intelligent Sales Performance Predictions app uses actual, planned, and predictive sales models focused on sales opportunities and areas that have the most impact on an organization's performance. You can easily see sales performance against plan, and machine learning estimates more reliably than using past sales volumes and reps' best guesses. No more spreadsheets, no more fighting over who has the best intuition, just accurate forecasts to send to finance and manufacturing, and more time to focus on selling. With predictive machine learning forecasting, improving sales forecast accuracy, raising quote-to-conversion rates, and preventing stockouts and backorders is made simple and efficient from SAP S4HANA Cloud.